Hi, I'm the awesome tutor, and today we're going to be looking at externalities. Okay, just a quick recap, a quick overview, and how you can answer the questions in the exam. Okay, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on explanation. So market failure. Externalities, this is a type of market failure. What is market failure? It is the misallocation of resources into inefficiencies as a result of the free market forces. Okay? Negative externalities and positive externalities. Alright? Positive externalities, external benefits enjoyed by a third party which is not part of the economic transaction. For negative externalities, it's external costs suffered by a third party which is not part of the economic transaction. So with this diagram here, it shows overproduction, Q1 minus Q star. Okay? And as a result of this overproduction, there is a net welfare loss as shown by the triangle ABC. The external cost can be shown by the distance between MPC, marginal private cost, and MSC, marginal social cost. Alright? So the line AB. So just give a brief analysis of the diagram, the external cost, the welfare loss, how it's overproduction, and then you get into answering the question. Okay, talk about the externalities in the case study, reference 1, reference 2, maybe even a third reference, and you explain them. Okay, then you go to evaluation, which I'll come to later. Positive externalities. So here we have marginal social benefit, marginal private benefit, and marginal social cost. This shows under consumption, Q star minus Q1. Okay, so under consumption at Q1, creating a potential welfare benefit, right? Potential welfare gain, as shown by the triangle ABC. And the external benefit is shown by the line AB. So it's the distance between MPB and MSB. Again, brief analysis of the diagram, and then you go into the case study, talk about the external benefits there. Or if the question is not the generic one, then watch out for that and remember to answer the question. Okay? Now, an easy way to remember these diagrams and how they're drawn, which curves to draw. For the negative externalities one, the overproduction, alright, because it's negative externalities, external cost, there's going to be more costs than benefits. So the two curves are cost, MSC and MPC. And the one curve is just the benefit, MSB. Okay? For positive externalities, external benefits. So there's going to be more benefits. Think of it like that. So the two curves will be benefit, MSB and MPB. The one curve will be MSC. And with negative externalities, because it's negative externalities, the triangle will always point in the negative x-axis. Alright? In the direction of the negative x-axis. For this diagram. For this diagram, under consumption, because it's a positive externality, think about it like this, it's going to point towards the positive x-axis, the triangle. Alright? Anything else? Yes. To distinguish which one is MSC, which one is MPC, or which one is MSB, which one is MPB, the socially optimal level, the socially optimal quantity, Q star, alright, that's going to be where MSC is equal to MSB. So here Q star is at, where's MSC there? Where's MSB there? They intersect here, so Q star is over here. You know it's overproduction, so that means where MPC and MSB intersect, that's where the market equilibrium quantity is. So then you'll know that this will be MPC, this will be MSC, in order to create that overproduction above the socially optimal quantity. For positive externalities, alright, MSB intersect with MSC here, so that's a socially optimal quantity. Under consumption, so that means the market equilibrium quantity is going to be below the socially optimal, where MPB is equal to MSC, where they intersect. So then you'll know that this is MPB and this is MSB. Right? So now evaluation. Now I'm going to give you generic ones, okay? But the best evaluations are the ones that are related to the case studies. Don't rely too much on these. It's very hard to measure or quantify the externalities, so you don't know if it's going to be a significant impact or an insignificant impact. The solution, especially for negative externalities, might have other associated negative costs, or might even be better. It might have positives. Okay, is the alternative better? Now, by that, that's more specific to negative externalities. For example, the negative externalities of overproduction of wind farms. Okay, such as habitat damage, etc., etc., etc. But there's also a positive to it. Okay, renewable energy. The alternative, fossil fuels, is not better. Its externalities are worse. Right? Pollution. There's also a time lag. It may take time for the externalities to emerge. Right? So that's basically the generic overview of it. This has been the Awesome Tutor. Bye.